Good morning to all of you. So as discussed, we have many discussion over the HTML and CSS in our previous classes. So the thing is that as we have too much discussion on these things, now I think that we should see some programming code of HTML, that how to write these particular things and what to do, and then I will give an assignment to all of you, and you have to upload your code into the assignment portal of LMS. So the question will be given in the LMS, and then you have to upload. But now, for some reason, due to huge power shortage here for the last 3 days almost. Okay, so the LMS is actually now in offline. It is not working now as the internet service and power shortage. Nothing, no, nothing is available right now here. So that's why LMS is not actually working. But when all the things will be short out here, then the things will done. So now I will try to show you some code, that how to write some HTML code, or I have already shown you people in the previous classes, but uh, again we will have some discussion on it and how the website will look like. A simple basic example I am going to show you, and then we have a discussion on that, and then a problem will be given to you people, where you people need to sort it out. Uh, just a minute. Okay, here you can see just a simple basic a code has been written here in some HTML actually. A simple basic code, just it is as HTML and CSS, and the thing that doctor HTML, it is actually mentioned, and we know that it is actually starting from some CSS HTML part. Then we have mentioned some HTML language here, that is the English EN for English language. We have mentioned the language here. Then some title, a sample design. So the title means it will be the page title. So when we am going to convert it into a HTML web page, and then when I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to open it in some browser, then the browser name, the name at the top of the particular page will be given as sample design. It will show there the sample design. Okay, then we have mentioned some body background of image. So our image have been placed here, and meta character set of UTF admit is some encoding type, as it is written in some text file, only a notepad file. So there is some we can say there are some encoding versions, and some versions are present, so that's why it is I've mentioned some UTF-8, that version is also present here, because in some upgraded version, or in some different operating system, the notepad have some different version or some different features actually. Then we have named some meta name of viewport content of width, device width, and initial scale equal to 1. So it is some content with width that as per the device, it will be shift there as per their width. On a desktop, it will be looks like something different, and out of on a supporting on a mobile devices, it will be looking something else. So then we have some style part, where the body equal to font family. We have used Arial, Helvetica, and Sans serif. So you have used three type of initially three type of text or font style here actually. Then some we have the style have been end here, as style was started here, so the style is need to end. Head have been started here, so head also need to be end, and now the body have been started. So in the body part actually, we have the content have been written. So whatever our content, that will be written in the body part. So we have some heading, that is my website. Then we have some paragraph, write it, that's a website created by me. So a simple thing have been written. So we can first we can look, we can have a visualize on that, that what is the thing actually looks on, or what, how the thing actually looks like. Okay, so first I will save it uh, as a name of .html extension. So I have saved it as a .html extension, and then the thing. Okay, now let me share my screen. Okay, so I think you people can see the thing that has been a new web page have been opened here, and as the name was sample design, the name was sample design. So you people see at the top of the window, at the top, at the left corner of the top, that a thing have been written, that is a sample design, and that is the title of our web page. So whatever the title we have mentioned there, that is displaying here as a sample design. So that is the thing. So we have mentioned sample design as a title, and that thing is being displayed here. Then simple my website, and whatever the things have been written in the heading and the paragraph. So in the heading part we have written that is the my website, and in the paragraph part we have written website created by me. So a simple, and we have some body background of images that have been, this is a particular image, and the image is stored actually in the same folder. That's why I have only mentioned the name of the image. In case the image is not present at all, it is present in some other folder actually, then we need to run the total path, we need to execute the total path of that particular for where the image is actually present, and then that path is to be present in the form of path actually, that is need to be present in the HTML file or in the notepad file. So this is how a simple website looks designed. So just writing some simple codes, just writing some simple text code, that we can design a simple HTML page. So as we know that we have the every type of web pages, different type of web pages available in our Google platform actually, but every web pages have a background HTML. But nowadays we don't design in HTML, because HTML actually basically a static page design. Okay, but and nowadays as the things are more dynamic, so that's why we use many other platforms like Visual Basics and any other platform to build a website or the things, where the code is written in some C or C sharp, but at the end when the web page is actually created, all the data automatically transfer in some HTML form, because the HTML form is a basic background work of a web pages actually. But now to make it a dynamic, we write the code in some different coding language. But after, at the end when the website is totally ready, then it automatically gets converted, the code automatically get converted in some HTML format, where the things, if we open, then some HTML format things will be actually pop up into the scenario. We can see many HTML format, many HTML coding is there in the background. So I will show you that also. So as we are talking that this is the simple or basic thing actually, the simple web page we can design here. So if we changes any content, anything in the our body background or in the body part actually, then the things will be updated, or then the things will be reflected. So let me change something in my body content of that particular in the particular notepad where I have written something. So I will stop screen share here, and I will open the notepad. So here we can write anything. Okay. So suppose it is an H1. So we can mention another H2. Mm, So we can write anything or whatever the things we want to write actually. So we are actually entering anything in the body part actually, and that thing will be reflected in our content actually. Okay. So that I'm writing anything. I have mentioned some three heading files here, then mentioning some paragraph lines here that are created by me. Think to build something new. Try it on your own. So this something I am writing. So let me save it as a notepad, and then let me check that whether the thing is actually displaying or not. So we need to check that whatever we are writing, that is actually getting displayed or not. So suppose let me share my screen here. Okay, so we can see that whatever we have updated, whatever I have written in my uh, notepad just a few minutes ago, so that is actually getting displayed. So the heading actually getting displayed, the content actually getting displayed. So this is the simplest form, that where we can write anything, where we can write any html, any codes, anything in our body part, and that thing will be displayed automatically. That thing will be displayed automatically. So no need to think, just we need to think that what we need to write, what would be the content of the window, or what would be the content of the body window. So that thing is only need to be written. This is the main thing actually that we need to focus on, that we need to focus on, that the thing needs to focus on. So we can also have some table here, we can put some tables also here. So putting some tables also will work here actually. So suppose if I want to put some table here now. So let me show the code first. Okay, so look, I have write this particular thing up to here right now. So now I have put a table. I have just put a table coding here, just the table style with border, with the mentioning of table tag, tr, the th, table headings, what are the table headings, the table rows, all the things I mentioned, and then the table data. So I have put the data as per our thing. So the as per the format, the first there will be the first name, then the last name, and then the age, and followed by the thing. So I can put a table also. So I want to put a table here. So then that's why if this is actually, so I have write some coding part of the table in the body part, and then I will show you that what will be the scenario or how the things actually look like. So you people can see that after writing some table part there, the table is also been visualized, or we can see the display. So this is the thing that we can put anything, we can write as per our phones, that what we want to build, what the thing we want to build. So as per the scenario, we can write the code, and we can have the code. So all the things is very much easily available here. So we need to just focus on that, what we need to do and what is our target. So we can put up a table like that, we can make a form, we can make a sheet here, we can google form here, we can make a login page. So that all the things have been, so how to build the login page and how the things actually work, all have been displayed in our last classes. So what the things, this is the basic scenario. So what actually I do, that I just right, I will just give you some problem. I will just upload a question in your lms portal, where some problem will be given, and each of you need to write your own code, each of you need to write your own code on that particular problem in html actually, and then you people need to submit the two files. Okay, you people need to okay, not need to submit the two files, you people just need to submit the one file, only the notepad file. Just make a notepad file and submit that notepad file. I will convert it, and I will check that whether all the things are okay or not. So I want to get a output from each of you. So I will just upload a question in the lms portal, and then you people need to do it on your own. Okay, so in the next class we will check on that, we will have a visualization on that, that whether the things actually whether you people are able to do this thing or not. Okay, so I will just again show you the code, that nothing to be wary of, it is a very easy thing. Okay, so very simple thing actually. Just a minute. Okay, so you can see the code. We have some code here written. So starting from the displaying from the upper part, that is the doc type HTML. Then we have mentioned some HTML language here, where some language have been mentioned, and then we have some head and title. With the title have been designed as a sample design. So whatever the title we have been placed there, that will be actually shown in the at the top of the page. At the top of the page, that thing will be only shown, that will be given, so we can have the that visualization. Then some meta characters and the meta name, and then the font, we have mentioned some font style here, and then the style, heading, body part, all of the thing actually mentioned. So then whatever the things we need to write, we have written in our body part as per the h1 heading, and then some paragraph, then some we have mentioned some table here. So whatever we actually want to do, that can be placed in our body part, and then at the end of the body, closing of body tag and closing of HTML tag. So this is the how things actually work. So this is the thing actually how it is work, and the scenario goes on. So it is a very simple thing. I will actually upload this code also in your LMS portal, so that you people can have a visualization, and you people can see, or you people can check whether all the things are actually working or not. So that is the scenario. So I think you people are able to visualize this particular thing, and you people can, now you people will be able to write your own things. You people will be able to write